have to support the mitochondria. So, and support the liver with CoQ10, mapapamahal po sila. Diba, kakabanggit lang namin, ang mahal na yung biquinol, na totoo. So, you support the mitochondria, you support the liver, until the time na komportable na silang bitawan yung statin. Diba? So, yun lang. Yes, you are right. Little by little. Some patients, they will, little by little, so little by little magtatanggalin ng ng support. Pero hopefully, they will stop. Kasi a lot of my perimenopausal patients, they go into early menopause once they start the statin. So, yes, the hormones, the 42-year-old no more menses, because you deplete the mother molecule for your hormones. So, yes. But,
I would remove statins. It conveys weak coenzyme Q10. It can lead to heart attack. It weakens the muscles of the heart and all the muscles. Pero pa yung Alzheimer and memory problems, I would remove. Kasi all we want to do is lower the cholesterol. If you're on a diet, that will go down. Fish oil is a natural cholesterol lowering thing. Fibers will do that. Sunlight will do that. You don't want to eat anything. So there are other things to lower. So with alternative medicine, I would do something to replace that. Like the blood thinner. If you're on blood thinner, alam na, for those who had surgery, so you're supposed to do blood thinner, either warfarin, which is the active ingredient of Doralan killer, or aspirin, Lopinogrel, so they can lower your thickness of the blood. You can end up with bleeding, So I replace that. Vitamin E, omega oil, fish oil, I give other things which would not have the side effect of like ginkgo biloba. Ginkgo biloba will act as a blood thinner, pero it will open up circulation, help with the blood pressure, help with memory and stress and so on. It protects the heart, the liver, the kidney, whereas the warfarin will do all sorts of terrible things. So I choose ko siya. So yun lang yung pinapalitan, I replace immediately, but all the other medication I would not.
That's about cholesterol. There's one thing I haven't really mentioned, neither of us. There's one thing that you should basically always do is to chew your food properly. Okay? Minimum 32 times. I wonder if you do that. Or else,
Thank you, sir.
limang beses ka. Anyway, if you cannot do that, especially if you have conditions with your skin or dentures, please take a digestive enzyme. Okay? Before your meals. Okay? So before you start eating, or if you're going to take a lot of protein, take you take apple cider vinegar before your meal. And then always start, when you chew your carbs, digestion starts in the mouth, so please chew it well. That's it.
Question to Sir Jack.